Yes crew, we are back with another video, and today I'm going to show you some mad demos that I created using Roland Cloud. Big up Roland Cloud for giving me a 1 year subscription. I'm definitely using it to the max. I'm enjoying everything about it. I was already a Roland enthusiast and they saw my video and said, you know what B, we're going to give you 1 year subscription, so big up for that. All of the Roland marketing team for bigging me up. Roland Digital, lovely stuff. Yes peeps, we've just crossed our 6,000 subscribers milestone. Big up, thank you for everyone who has subscribed to the channel and supported it so far. We're trying to get to 7,000 subscribers now, so please subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already, and turn on notifications to see all of the videos that I upload. Smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. Now let's get back into the video. Big up. That's it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, please smash that like button. You'll really be helping me out. and don't forget to subscribe. Big up.
I'm a everyday junglist.